Alright, so I want us to look at how to create ad. For instance, I want to create an ad for a client on fashion again. So, and I want to use the carousel format. And the aim of the ad or the objective of the ad is to direct people to the person's WhatsApp group. So now I'm in the ad manager app. I will click the create button, the plus sign close to the bottom, which is the create button. Then I'm going to select website traffic, and I will use the WhatsApp group link as the website link. So now I'm going to select the picture of this person. So let me pick it from my camera. Okay, so I want to use this as number one. Oh, sorry, you need to change the format. So I want carousel. So I'm using carousel. So the first image, I want it to be this as the first image. Then my second image, okay, let me use this shoe. Then you can be clicking this plus sign to add as many images as you want, but remember the maximum image you can use for carousel is 10 images. So but I'm using just 4 for this person. Then I'm done selecting. I can click next. Now looking at this, I will have to add my primary text. So let me pick the text. I've already designed a text for her. So let me just copy and paste it. Let me copy and paste it as primary text. Alright, so the link is here. Let me just use style to copy it as well so that I can make use of the link. So now the button, the call to action button I want them to use is sign up. So let me select sign up as the button I want them to use. I'm not using this special category carousel, so there's no need for me to put that. So the headline, we have different, so you need to select different card and put the headline for different card. So let's say this card now, I want to name it beautiful gown. Beautiful gown. So this headline will go with that first image, and then the description. You can just use whatever you like as the description. Maybe beautiful and quality gown. At affordable price. So then the URL I want to use for this, I'm going to repeat the URL for all of them. So that's the URL I'm using. So I'm good with this first card. Then I'm going to do the same for all the cards, that is all the pictures. Let me not sort card automatically, so let me go to two is going so let me call this one quality shoe. Then let me call it beautiful and quality. Let me just use quality shoe at affordable price. Let me just use that to save time. Quality shoe. at affordable price, or let me say shoes. So okay, I'm okay with the URL. Then I can move to the next one. Then call this one quality wears. Beautiful and quality wears. Let me just use beautiful and quality top, or let me call it children top. Let me say children wears rather. Then let me title it children top. Okay, so let me go to the last card. Here is the last picture. So let me also call it children wears. Let me call it children wear. Then quality, beautiful and quality wears. So with this, I'm done here. You can see the error message is no more there. I'm done here. If you want to edit your placement, you can edit it, but let's move on. So here now we create audience. If you are using core audience, new audience, or you use people that have liked your page, if you want to target them, or people that like your page and they are friends, but I want to create my own audience. So this is fashion. So I will be selecting people that are interested in fashion. Let me just title my audience as clothes and shoe. Clothes and shoe. So the location is Nigeria. I think I'm okay with the location. Then the age, let's start from 18 years and above. I want to target only female. I think female should give me better results. Then let it include people. I prefer targeting female majorly because most female experience show that most female are better customer than male when it comes to online business, even offline business. Alright, so now let's go. Let me type fashion first so that I can select fashion, shopping and fashion. Then let me select fashion and style. Yes, I think since I want to sell gown, I think I should select gown. Let me type gown and see the option. We have gown, ball gown, pure white, wedding gown. Let me select gown only. I think I'm only okay with gown. Then maybe ball gown. No, let me just leave that. Let me type shoe. Yeah, let me type shopping for clothes and shoe is fine. Then let me type shoe. So just type different things that you know you want to promote there. If you type it there, then you just select from the option that it will give you. So shoe, I think if you observe, I focus more on those ones that are interest. Because into fashion, I don't want somebody that is fashion designer. People like that might not really they might not really be good customer. So women clothes, okay, that's fine. So top, I think top is also okay. So if you are okay with this, you can select it. Let's see what we have selected. So we've selected shopping and fashion and style, gown, shopping for clothes and shoe, in women clothing and the likes. So if you are okay with that, or if you still want to go more, Let me check fashion, street fashion, fashion blogger, fashion week. I don't think I think I'm okay with that. So if you are okay with that, then we can select it so that it will add it as the audience we are using. Now we are almost through. Let's move to the next. So now we have to set our budget. The budget for this ad, I want it to be 500 per day. 500 per day. Then I want it to start now. It's not going to run continuously, and let it last for 3 days because the person paid for 3 days ad. So I want it to start now. That's as soon as it is approved, then it should run for 3 days. So the delivery, I want it to be link click. Link is better. Then bid strategy, let Facebook set the bid that help you get the most link, which is better. So I think I'm okay here. Then let me click next. Now it's for you to review your order if you are okay, but I would like to edit the placement. I will just want my placement, I want it to be, I will manually edit it. I want it to appear only on on mobile. I don't want it to appear on desktop because I want to lead people to WhatsApp. So more often than not, people that use desktop don't have WhatsApp installed. Although there are some cases that some people have WhatsApp, so I don't want to take that risk. I don't have money to throw around. So now I want it to appear only on feed because I know with that it will show better. So Instagram, I don't want any okay, let me put only Instagram feed. No, I want to remove Instagram feed because based on my experience so far, Facebook perform better than Instagram. So most of the time when I'm running ad, I just make it to appear on Facebook feed alone. The way it display on Facebook feed is even far better than the way it display on Instagram and other network. So now if I'm good with this, I save it and place the order. Then that will be the, so let me place the order.